now all I got to do is put the tow rail on, come with the new waste, scarf all this in, fill all that up. Won't see none of that mess. Finish the turn piece there on the transom. Make that level, put the bumper on the back. Right here, put the tow rail on. Cut all this flush. Each side's different, each side's in different conditions. Scarf all that, do the whole new wheel heights there on the side. Cabin's gonna look the same, but we're gonna come down here. Piece of wood coming down to the new waste. So, that's it for now. We'll try to do something about that. Alright, what I got set up here is a little stopper so I can cut the end of this dog ear off all these planks right here. And you see it stops right there. Might work pretty good. Let's give it a try. What is that? Perfect. This is square. Now, 29 more. Oops, I forgot to film a lot of this. I got all this on last night and some just a bit ago. Put them together. This will continue up here to the cabin, and the cabin's getting redone as well. It's been so hot. I just can't remember to record anything. So I'll get to it and bring you back directly when I get it pretty much close to done. Here's what we're doing. We're going every pretty much 3 foot and putting the brace down this way until there. Screw them together on the butt, same stuff. That's pretty much what we're doing. Well, I need to show y'all what I got done today. Got a nice pretty rind in that there. I got to still finish everything. I got to go through, put the rust trim board on and stuff, go around everything. But I had a bit of a hiccup here when this happened. I was going to plan on just patching the cabin back together, but everything was so rotten, it all had to come back off. So that's pretty much stopped my waste for now. So this will be the end of this video. Next video will either be something with the engine or doing the cabin, so we'll see how it goes. I got to finish all the trim work and stuff here. Got some other work to do to her. But for now, you can see the waste on her. That piece in the middle is going to be painted the name on her, which is Miss Abby, of course. I still got to do the bumper rail, a whole lot of other things, but for now, the biggest thing is that cabin. So it'll be completely redesigned. I won't show you too much for now. Y'all have to wait until the next video. But that's it for now. I appreciate y'all watching, and of course I gotta trim that. But I appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing y'all next time. Thank you. Well, one thing I forgot to mention, I did set up a Patreon account, and if y'all want to go support me at all in there, you can. I'm not one to take out handouts for anything or nothing like that, but any little bit would help on the Miss Ivy, of course, and I'm thinking about doing something special for the first 10 people on my Patreon account, so I'll announce that whenever I come up with it, but it'll be pretty cool. Till then, Appreciate y'all watching. Take care.